फ्रेंड्स भी आ जाती है।
देख के कोई चीज देख के
हम्म।
ਐਦਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੈਨ ਯੂ ਗੋ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਮਾਰਗ ਹਨਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਮਾਰਗ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲ ਸੈਂਸਸ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੈਂਸਿਟਿਵ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਯੂ ਨੋ that what it smells or you have an idea of the smell, your mind is so powerful that it starts catching it. But if it is happening physically, I'm telling you, the Kal is trying to trap you. It happens with a lot of people actually. I don't know what is going on, but because right now the shabad jada Sarpreet Singh ji apan discuss karan lage hai na,
हाँ जी।
it is actually very very related to these things. I don't know why Guru Sahib is creating that bid. The first Jaspanji asked the question. Now you are asking. They're all related with this Asaki Var slok. Let's read it. We'll get clear.
The
But
reason I asked Vaheguru, I think I might have shared with you this thing. I was just watching a TV and there was one clipping came from Darbar Sahib and there was Kada Prasad. I think I shared with you. And I was sitting and I said, why I'm getting that Kada Prasad fragrance, like it was so. And I looked at the kitchen. I asked my wife, like, "Are you cooking something?" She was not nothing. I was watching and getting that thing. So I think I
this,
shared, right?
yeah,
Right?
yeah. This is a play, Vaheguru. This is a
Yeah.
play. You are getting. I'm telling you, this is. It's not something. It's a play of Kal. I'm telling you, he wants to pull you out into these things. I'm telling you, these riddhis and siddhis, you will get it. ਕਿ ਤੇਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇਰਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਤੇਰੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ be very careful when I say these things. I said it in fun, but be very careful. What happens is with the jap of Guru Mantra you get these powers. ਸਹਿਜ ਸੁਭਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. Sometimes you will speak something from your mouth that will become ਉਹ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਚੀਜ਼. So that's why when you are in the marg, the path of the bhakti, be careful what you say, what you do, right? Because that will become right. ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜੂਗੀ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੁਖੋਂ ਬੋਲੋਗੇ. Be very careful ਇਸ ਪਿੱਛੇ. ਐਸੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਬੜੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. All right. So Maharaj here, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, in this slok, actually we did this the last one couple of Saturdays back, because last Saturday we repeated one body, right? But this was the first part of this was done couple of weeks back. I will upload the recordings for everything. So if you have not heard it, we can do it. But महला पहला लब पाप दुए राजा मेहता कूड़ हुआ सिकदार काम नेब सद पुछिए बह बह करे विचार अंधी रैत ज्ञान विहूणी पाए परे मुरदार ज्ञानी नच्चे वाजे वावै रूप करे श्रृंगार ऊंचे कूखे वादा गावे जोधा का विचार मूर्ख पंडित हिकमत हुज्जत संजय करे प्यार धर्मी धर्म करे गवावे मंगे मोख दुआर जति सदावे जुगत न जाने छड बह कर बार सबको पूरा आपे होवे घट ना कोई आखे पत परवाना पिछे पाइए ता नानका तोलिया जापै. This actually talks about state of lot of us, right? Kal is such a big power because the power, the Trigun Maya, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤ੍ਰੈਗੁਣ ਮਾਇਆ ਵਾ ਨਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਅਰੇਂਜਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗਵਰਨਰ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਮਾਲਕ ਨੇ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਤ੍ਰੈਗੁਣ ਮਾਇਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, all these thoughts and everything and people's intentions, you take care of it. All this maya you take. Trigun kale ki sarkara, you take care of this. I'm not gonna be taking care of that. Maharaj is above the Trigun, above the नौ दरवाजे. He is in the चौथा पद. Maharaj says here, लब पाप दोए राजा मेहता कूड़ हुआ सकदार. Says this, in this world, in this body, this physical body, lab pap, lab ki hunda? There's a difference between a lobe and a lub. Lub is something which is, you can say, some people drool when we see something to eat, right? Something, some tasty food, we drool. That is the, because what happens is when we start going into the marg of spirituality, Carl knows, okay, he knows he doesn't have to be lusty. He knows he doesn't have to be greedy. He knows he doesn't have to be angry, right? He knows that he doesn't have to do these things. So Kal will capture you, five doots will capture you in a different way. They will capture you in the form of food. It used to happen to me personally. I used to do the jap naam for a few hours and enjoying, and suddenly I used to feel hungry. I used to feel so much hungry. Basically, it captures you. And then what happens is, we all know, when we go behind food so much, we will have a stomach ache, physical issues, so many things. And then what will happen? Next day, you probably will not be able to put the full dhyan. You probably will be jumping Wah Guru, Wah Guru, Wah Guru. And your dhyan will be, then they will distract you further. Then you will watch some movie, then you will watch something else. And that's how their formula is how to put you away from the path of love. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਾਲ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੰਜ ਦੂਤ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਹਰ ਕੱਢਣਾ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਖਾਣ ਦੇ ਜੀਭ ਦੇ ਸਵਾਦ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੀਭ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਦ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਾਪ ਕਰਵਾਉਣੇ ਆ। ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਅਸੀਂ what we have done for this body, we have made the taste of the tongue as the king. We live for the taste of the tongue. I was like, going through the lot of things, because see, this is a little bit deep thing, and you can ask me as many questions as you can, because I want you to understand this thing. There was a you guys must have heard about Bhagat Ramanand, right? Bhagat Ramanand's, even the slok is there. One slok is there in Gurbani also. But Bhagat Ramanand, he was a guru of Kabir ji, right? But this Bhagat Ramanand, which I'm talking about, is a different Bhagat Ramanand, right? There was a in the same time, but he was in the southern part of India. His name also Bhagat Ramanand. He used to do the sangat in in his home. A lot of people used to come and they used to discuss about spirituality. He used to guide people and all. But he had one weakness. What was that weakness? That weakness was that every time, like after every half an hour, he used to go to the kitchen. He used to go to the kitchen and he used to ask his wife, what have you cooked? He said, you just had food. What are you talking about? ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਫੇਰ ਪੁੱਛਣ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਬਣਿਆ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਦਾ ਸੰਤ ਹੈ he says the thing is if I will stop asking from you about the food and remember that is a sign that I'm going to leave this body. Why we are in this physical body? ਕਿਉਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਇੰਦਰੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਰਸ ਹੈ but some saints when you reach here out there again that is something above my experiences. But what I have heard it from the Gurmukhs is that when you are at the final stage, when there is no home left, nothing left, you have very few days. You cannot live in this physical body. You just leave that physical body at that point of time. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੈ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕੁਝ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ and that's what Bhagat Ramanand told his wife. He said, you have very few days. I have very few days when I will leave the food. So the taste of the tongue, he was controlling his Shakti, the Pran Urja, the Pran Shakti, right? The breath in his body by having the taste of the food. But Kal will do the same thing to us when we are walking on the path of spirituality, of love, of reaching Vaheguru, of meeting Vaheguru, merging in the Naam. Kal will also do this thing. He will put one thing in our mind that okay, his weakness is food. Let's give him the taste of the food, and the new things will come in front of you. That's why Maharaj is saying it is a pap. It becomes a sin at that point of time. Lab pap doe raja. And Maharaj says it becomes the king of your body, the taste of the tongue. You live for the taste of the tongue. The different names is given. Raja, Mehta. Mehta is normally the prime minister of the kings. It used to be a prime minister of the kings, right? Kood hua sikdar. And then you will have something in your mind also. You will say, what will people say about me? Or that you do a lot of meditation. ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚਸਕਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਖਾਣ ਪੀਣ ਦਾ. That my taste has not gone, right? Then at that point of them, you will start speaking lies. Kood. Then the kood will also become the king of your body. So you know what I'm saying? Kal will capture you with something else, and then the other vices will keep on coming. Then lust will come, greed will come, and in the no time, because it becomes a slippery slope. So we have to be very careful about these things. Hanji Harpreet.
Haji, Vijay, I'm also experiencing this, like the food, right? Like in the night, like I'm eating more and not able to like wake up in the morning. Uh,
Exactly.
when I'm not
Because
hungry, I'm eating like sweet and all.
this is, then remember that you know what is the opposite to that? That the kirpa is happening on you. That's why Kal is fighting with you now. The Panch Doots are fighting with you now, more and more. If
Haji,
you will
वही
see
मैं
your previous, yeah, go
हाजी
ahead.
हाजी अभी
So
मैं
this is
अरदास करना उठा पर वही रात ही खा लेना फिर उठ नहीं पाता सवेरे
right. That's why we do the ardas. Kaam krodh ar lobh moh binas jaya hum ev, right? Nanak Prabh Nagati Kar Prasad Gurudev. Remember that. And whenever we get, this is what I do, so I can tell you what I do. Whenever I get this now, I will drink a glass of water, right? Whenever you get this, drink a glass of water, and it is not gonna harm you anything, and you probably will get a better Amrit Vela. In the night time, if you will drink a glass of the water in the morning, you'll feel like going to the toilet, right? And then you'll wake up anyway, right? So rather than eating something, drink 2 glasses of water or something.
Okay.
Okay. Hanji, 2 participants raised their hands. Let me see. Mandeep Singh. Mandeep Singh, Hanji Vaheguru.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਵੈਸੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਹੈ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰਾਣ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਉਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਤਮਾ ਜਾਂ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਪ੍ਰਾਣ ਊਰਜਾ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੋ ਅਹੈਡ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਦੈਟਸ ਫਾਈਨ
ਪ੍ਰਾਣ ਊਰਜਾ ਜਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਣ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਰਾਈਟ so you know the body the physical body has pawan and the naam pawan is that's what how we experience everything right all the maya and everything we experience in pawan this is actually a good subject let's take again a deep dive into this right when our thoughts are there in the mind ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਫੁਰਨੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਪਵਨ ਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੈਗੇ the moment the pawan is not there there is no furne there are no thoughts if the pran or the breath or the air element is not there when it is gone it's gone when we jap gur mantra we actually jap gur mantra with the pawan ਪਵਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਮਾ ਕੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਾਮ ਜਪਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜਪਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੁਰਾਣਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਪਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਲੌਕ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ that lock gets open then ਪ੍ਰਾਨ leaves behind ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰਾਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਨ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਉਹ ਥੱਲੇ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਂਦੀ 9 ਦਰਵਾਜ਼ਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਸੁਰਤ ਹੈ, ਸੁਰਤ ਉੱਪਰ ਚੱਕੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ
So the surat or the mind will go up and the pran will stay in the physical body. And when the surat goes up, that's where all the good things happen. So that's why we have to separate our mind from the pavan. But to make it separate, first we get into the pavan, merge into the pavan, and then we separate ourselves. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਭੈਣ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਜੀ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੈਪਰੇਟ ਦੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਵੈਸੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੁਰਮੰਤਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਅਵੇਕ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਸਿਰਫ ਸੁਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ, ਮਤਲਬ ਸਲੀਪ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ?
Yeah, that actually again a very good question. ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ। ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਵਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹੋ, ਰਾਈਟ, ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੈ, ਪਵਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਫੁਰਨੇ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, ਇੱਕੋ ਫੁਰਨਾ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਦੇयर इज ओनली वन थॉट लेफ्ट which is of ਗੁਰਮੰਤਰ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ
Then when you go from one furna to the zero furna, as in then you go in sun. Sun, we discussed it actually in previous lectures. There are different kinds of sun. First sun is when you are sleeping. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਪਹਿਲੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੁਣ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਉੱਥੇ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਪਿਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਧੁਨ ਉਪਜੇ, ਸ਼ਬਦ ਜਗਾਇਆ, ਸ਼ਬਦ is ਪ੍ਰਗਟ, the ਨਾਮ is ਪ੍ਰਗਟ, and our mind is awake. When our mind starts waking up, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਸਹਿਜ ਧੁਨ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਨੇ, right, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੈ, you will feel like it's kind of energy. You will feel like ਜਿਹੜੀ એનર્ਜੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਜਿਵੇਂ okay, I'll give you an example. For example, if you are wearing a backpack, very heavy backpack,
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਪਿੱਠੂ ਆਪਣਾ ਬੈਗ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹ ਬੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਭਾਰਾ ਕੋਈ ਬੈਗ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਗਰ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਵਾ। ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਵੇਕ ਸਟੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਏਦਾਂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ that you have removed, you will feel like as if you have removed that backpack.
ਹਾਂਜੀ
You will be awake, but your body will be totally into peace. Physical body, you will have no connection basically, and you will feel very light and you will be awake. That is also the sun, but your mind is awake there. That is the state where you should be. And when that happens, ਜਦੋਂ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਮਝ ਲਓ ਬੈਗ ਲੱਥ ਗਿਆ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਲਾਈਟ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਹੋ, ਯੂ ਆਰ ਫੀਲਿੰਗ ਵੈਰੀ ਲਾਈਟ, that is the time when you should connect with the shabad which you are hearing, Sahajtun. Then with Vaheguru Ji's kirpa, naad, you will listen to the naad and it will do wonders. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ
ਸਮਝ ਗਏ ਥੋੜਾ? it's a little bit heavy knowledge, I know,
ਹਾਂਜੀ
but so the pran urja, let me summarize it. Pran urja, ਗੁਰਮੰਤਰ ਜਪਿਆ, ਪ੍ਰਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਰਜ ਹੋਏ, ਮਰਜ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੁਣ ਚ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ। ਸੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਦੋ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ, ਪਹਿਲੀ ਸਟੇਜ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ, you don't know where you are, but you are in peace, there are no dreams, nothing. Second stage is there is the shabad is there, you will start hearing the shabad. Sometimes even in the gurmantra you will go directly into that state ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਰਾਊਂਡਿੰਗਸ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਵੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਨੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਨੇ ਅਜੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਰੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ। ਇੱਕ ਸਟੇਜ ਐਸੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਰੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦਾ, ਮਾਈਂਡ ਵਿਲ ਟੋਟਲੀ ਲੀਵ ਦ ਬੋਡੀ, and at that time you will not have any connection with the physical body, physical world, but you will be still awake, but you will be awake on the other side, ਦੂਜੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਅਵੇਕ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ? ਹਾਂਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਸੰਗਤ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਲਓ, and people will get inspiration also, and if you have further question please, no problem.
ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ। ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। anybody else had a question? ਹਾਂਜੀ anybody else had a question? ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਸਵਾਲ ਸੀਗਾ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ? all right, so that's what Guru Nanak Dev Ji is also talking about here, that because we get distracted, because we don't understand the, you know, the panch chor, the lab is becomes the pap, it start becoming a pap, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਪਾਪ ਕਰਾਉਂਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖਾਣ ਪੀਣ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਫੁਰਨੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਰੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਤੇ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਝੂਠ ਵੀ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਹਨਾ? ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵੋਟੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਲੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ, like your wife will catch you eating something from the fridge and you say no, 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 I was doing Simran in the night, I was not eating, right? Yeah, then you start speaking code, you start hiding stuff because you have then that thing in your mind, what will they think about me? That's what happens. That's why we need to be very careful. Find the alternatives. Kal will play with us, right? कामनेब सद पुछिए बह बह करे विचार, then the lust comes, right? And what happens when the lust comes? First of all, this darbar becomes the total territory. Slowly and slowly it becomes a territory of the Panchduts. Rather than Vaiguruji, rather than Gurbani becoming your advisor, Kal becomes your advisor. Lust becomes your advisor. You ask everything from these things, and then you will have the vichar. ਆਪਾਂ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਗਲਤ ਕੰਮ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਆਹ ਗਲਤ ਕੰਮ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. Whatever we eat, it impacts our mind. Lot of gurmukhs, that's why they don't eat outside food. Caution, I eat outside food, so don't think I'm talking about myself, right? But again, whatever we do, we should do it in balanced fashion. We should not like be so strict and all that stuff. Sometimes you have to eat it, because the food is needed for your physical body. But the lot of gurmukhs are there, they will not eat the outside food, they will just cook their food and eat it. Why they do that? Because obviously when somebody is cooking your food with some whatever intentions, and if he has a lusty or angry intentions, that vibrations will go into that food. This is all the game of the vibrations of the energy. Negative and this is the negative and positive energy. There are things which we can improve. We don't have to look into the direction of the house, which direction of our house is, and have to do call a vastu consultant. Vastu ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ feng shui ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੇਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ. ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੁਰਮਤ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣਾ ਜੀਵਨ ਜੀਏ ਤੇ it can help us. Personal experience. Sometimes if I will eat the outside food and all, then I can see that the negativity is there. Then it takes a lot more time. In the morning, if I'm going in soon, in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it will take me 40 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Everything impacts you. So be very careful. Andi Rayat Gyan Vihuni Paek Pare Murdar. Then Murdar is there. Murdar, there are two meanings of Murdar, right? One is Murdar is eating murdar as in the dead, the flesh, the non-veg. Here, the murdar is when we start taking bribes. Maharaj is saying, then what happens is in this Kali Yuga, people will do all the work by taking the bribes. ਰਿਸ਼ਵਤਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਅੰਨੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਆਪਾਂ, ਹਨਾ? ਕੋਈ ਚੰਗਾ ਕੰਮ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਲੈਣੇ. So even if we have to do the good job, we take bribes from people. We have become blind in all these things because now from Gurmat we start going into the Manmat. So that's why a lot of people in this path sometimes they fall down. And if we'll see the small things makes us fall down. Right? Our company will say, oh, we are working somewhere, and then they will say, oh, you have a team dinner. Team dinner, you go to the team dinner, dancing is happening, shrab is happening, people are talking bad things. That's what happens. So that's why the company you keep, it's very important. And trust me, I've been living in America from so many years now, right? And worked in a lot of IT companies, different brands. I think people call me that I've changed a lot of companies and all that stuff. Nobody can force you to attend the team meetings and all. And it doesn't impact your career. It's just, even if you are in sales or something on consulting and all, you can live your life as per Gurmat. I used to have a traveling job, and for 3-4 years, right, I never used to even eat out. I used to stay in the hotels where you cook your own food. 3-4 ਸਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਟਰੈਵਲਿੰਗ ਜੌਬ ਸੀ। ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਮੀਟ ਯੋਰ ਕਲਾਇੰਟਸ, ਆਪਣੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੈਂਡਰਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਕਲਾਇੰਟਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ। I never used to go to the bars or anything. By mistake, I went once with the sales team. I didn't, so it was so much negative energy. I didn't even felt like drinking a water from there. So be careful how, where you are, what you are doing. This all is part of spirituality. And trust me, it is not. Once you will fall in love with this mark, there will be no problems. Gyani Nache. Hanji Harpreet. I knew you will have a question on that. I was expecting that.
But it's confusing to understand the play of Kal. I mean, sometimes you feel like, okay, no. I mean, actually, this is Gurmat, and this is actually, I mean, Kal is trying to play. I mean, it's confusing. Like, this is a Gurmat way or the Kal way. Like,
Okay,
I don't.
give me an example. That's why we have to get connected. You're absolutely right. But you are asking a very genuine question. That
Right,
confusion is there. That doubt is there, right? That's what we call duvida.
Like, yeah, I
Okay?
mean, for example, right? So sometimes, I mean, like, so let's say I'm doing some other, like some yoga or some like pranayam, right? So sometimes, or I mean, anything, but sometimes I feel, no, this is not the Gurmat. Okay, no, I should not do this. Or like, or, and many other, like, in terms of
I
also
got you.
in.
Let's go one by one. Yoga. If you are doing yoga for your health, for your exercise, for your physical thing, it is all good. But if you are doing the yoga to achieve some spiritual powers or doing some Kundalini yoga and all that stuff, then that's not a Gurmat way. Very simple.
Hmm.
Okay? Anything which we are doing it for physical body, physical exercises, let it be yoga or going to the gym or anything, that is all good because you have to take care about your physical body also. Okay, don't look at me. I'm not taking care of my physical body, but it is good. It is all good, right? Right. But if you are doing yoga to attain some spiritual powers, like to bring your pran up there in the 6 chakras and going that, no, you don't do that because Guru Sahib has given us the Guru Mantra that will automatically fall in place.
Hmm.
Okay? You ask, it's fine, right? And you read the Guru Bani. See, Bani is the only Guru which we have, not the physical person. But whatever my experiences, I'll share it with you. That's the whole. We all are family, right? You can ask other people also. They're like Mandeep Penji is there, Mandeep Singh is there, Sarabpreet Singh is there. A lot of other guys are there, and they've been doing Simran from a long time. And all these guys are like they are all there. All of them are married and they are professionals. Mandeep Penji, she's a dentist. Mandeep Singh is also in a IT job, and Sarabpreet is also in IT job. There are a lot of people out there. Just Penji is there. So many people are there, right? You can ask them their personal experiences, and they will tell you. Okay? That's why we are all the family. You know? ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਸਵਾਲ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੁੱਛ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਓਕੇ ਉੱਚੇ ਕੁਕੇ ਵਾਦਾਂ ਗਾਵੇ ਜੋਦਾਂ ਕਾ ਵਿਚਾਰ then Mare says Gyani Nache, Vaje Vave, Roop Kare Shingar. Then Gyani is somebody who has a lot of knowledge, maybe a spiritual knowledge. Again, we have discussed in the past, right? When the Krishna and Radha play is happening, right? They say, oh, we have a Gyan about the stories of, Krishna ji and all that stuff. And then they dress up and then they dance and all. But they think that that's also spirituality on their they will dance on the stages and all that stuff. They think it's just spirituality. Then some people they will sing the songs of the warriors. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਡਰਾਮੇ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਭਗਤੀ ਦਾ ਮਾਰਗ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਗਾਣੇ ਗਾਉਂਦਾ ਵਾ ਵਾਰੀਅਰਸ ਦੇ ਹਨਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਯੋਧਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਗਾਣੇ ਗਾਉਂਦਾ ਵਾ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ right? These things has nothing to do with spirituality. Has nothing to do with spirituality, right? That's what then Murakh Pandit, Hikmat Hujjat, Sanjay Kare Pyar. Then these pundits, the false pundits, they say that they are very knowledgeable, right? And they will make people stupid to earn the money because they have agenda. Wherever there is money involved, in any shape, way, or form, caution. that person is going to take you to a different level, right? They will tell you, okay, I can do this for you, I can do that for you, but no, they cannot, because their agenda is to get the money from you. Tarmi taram kare gawave, mange mok duar. And then some people are attached with the physical ਬਾਹਰ ਦੀਆਂ rituals, ਗੰਗਾ ਨਹਾਉਣ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਓ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਲੰਗਰ ਛਕਾ ਦਿਓ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਗਰੀਬਾਂ ਨੂੰ, give the langar to people, give the, take a bath at some pilgrimages. Those kind of things people will do, right? And then they say that we should get the mok duar as in that we should reach to Vaheguru after we die. No, that doesn't happen, right? Because we have to understand visible things, invisible things. Yes, feeding poor is a good idea, you are doing good karams, right? Maybe you will even get a good assis also from that person, but it is not going to lead you to the path. You have to do the bhakti for that. There is a game, different game for the mind, different game for the physical body. Jati sadave, jugat na jane. Maharaj says people call themselves jati. Who are jatis? People who have control over their senses. They say we have a control over our senses. ਸਾਡੇ ਇੰਦਰੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਜਤੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਤੀ ਕੋ, ਹਨਾ? ਲੇਕਿਨ ਮਾਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜੁਗਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦਾ, he doesn't know the technique to meet ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ. ਜੁਗਤ ਨਾ ਜਾਣੇ, he doesn't have a technique. ਛੱਡ ਬਹਿ ਘਰ-ਬਾਰ, and he leaves his home. ਘਰ-ਬਾਰ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦੇ, ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਜਤੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, ਆਪਣਾ ਘਰ-ਬਾਰ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦੇ. ਸੋ ਸਭ ਕੋ ਪੂਰਾ ਆਪੇ ਹੋਵੇ, ਘੱਟ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਆਖੇ. Everybody says I am complete, I know everything, right? Because we are using the knowledge of our mind. The gyan we are not taking from Gurbani Guru. We have to take the gyan, the wisdom from Gurbani Guru. Appa gyan kitthon lena? Guru Guru. Bani Guru, Guru hai Bani, which Bani Amrit sare, everything is there. In the Bani, everything is there. Full explanation. Man kyo bera karega, Satgur mera pura. The Gurbani is complete. Guru Granth Sahib Ji is complete. It is not half information. We don't have to get the information, the wisdom from any physical person or some other person. Anybody is talking about Gurbani Guru, yes, we go and learn things out there, right? So we have to separate what are our physical needs, what are our spiritual needs. What is the food of mind? Man da jehड़ा खाना है वो अमृत रस है, the नाम है मन दे वास्ते. For mind it is amrit ras. For physical body it can be physical food. Yes, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਭੁੱਖੇ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੰਗੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. Yes, we do good things when we give food to some person, some homeless person or person in need. But that doesn't mean that we are going to meet Vaheguru. Who can give us the food? Vaheguru Ji gives us the food. How can we give feed to anybody? That is the sign of home when we say, oh, I fed somebody. That's home. ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਤਾ, ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਵਾਇਆ, ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਹੋਮੇ ਆ ਗਈ, ਆਪਾਂ ਤੇ ਖਵਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ, because we are not this physical body. So you have to really separate the ideas. You have to totally understand what is going on, and that understanding will also come when our mind will go in sehaj. ਜਦੋਂ ਮਨ ਸਹਿਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ knowledge ਹੈ, the wisdom of ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ will come more and more. ਪਤ ਪਰਵਾਣਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਾਈਐ ਤਾਂ ਨਾਨਕ ਤੋਲਿਆ ਜਾਪੈ. Maharaj says that all these things which people say we do, I do this, I do that, and I know better and all that stuff. Maharaj says if we will put everything in the scale, ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੋਲਾਂਗੇ, then we will know what exactly it is. Because at the end of the life, Dharamraj is going to put all our karams on the scale if we are away from Naam. If the Naam is not there, then nobody will look into our lekha. Nobody will look into our karams. Okay? Aao ji, let's do ardas in front of Gurbani Guru, in front of Akal Purakh Nirankar Vaheguru. Ardas kariye ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਉੱਤੇ, and our mind should follow the Gurmat. And ਆਓ ਜੀ ਜਪੀਏ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ, ਸਾਸ ਗਿਰਾਸ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰੀਏ. Let's do ਸਾਸ ਗਿਰਾਸ ਸਿਮਰਨ. How we do ਸਾਸ ਗਿਰਾਸ ਸਿਮਰਨ? when we say Vah, we inhale. When we say Guru, we exhale. Tummy in, half inch, tummy in, half inch in when we say Vah, and out when we say Guru. And the dhyan should be in the front of our nose strip, and we close our eyes. ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਲੈਣੀਆਂ, ਧਿਆਨ ਆਪਣਾ ਤੇ ਖਾਲੀ ਖਲਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ, ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੁਣਨੀ ਹੈ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਬੈਖਰੀ ਬਾਣੀ ਤੋਂ, from the ਬੈਖਰੀ ਬਾਣੀ we will go in madhma, we'll slow it down, and then finally we will do the antargat simran. Inside, what is it? Antargat Tirath Mal. Now when we go antargat, all the kirpa is going to happen there. Remember this, we have to go antargat. Whole idea is we are going antargat, inside, inside, inside. Slow, 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 inside. And then finally in the sun, right? We had no thoughts. ठीक है जी, आओ जी. Let's try. Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru, Wah.